Number 1. 1988 Chevrolet Scottsdale Pickup, $2,500, Oakland, California. This 1988 Chevrolet Scottsdale is a late-era square-body pickup valued for durability and mechanical simplicity. Powered by a gasoline V8 with an automatic transmission, it runs very well and benefits from current California emissions testing and registration. With approximately 157,000 miles, recent brake service and new tires add reliability. Although previous theft attempts caused ignition damage, added security measures are in place. With a clean title and honest wear, this Scottsdale offers strong utility value at an accessible price. Number 2. 1975 Chevrolet C30 dump truck, $3,500, Tempe, Arizona. This 1975 Chevrolet C30 is a heavy-duty square body, originally built for commercial service. Equipped with a gasoline V8, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive, it features a flatbed dump with hydraulic ram and lift gate. The odometer has rolled over, and the truck is currently not running after long-term storage, placing it in project status. Long-term ownership since 1986 and a clean title add credibility, making it suitable for restoration, farm use, or specialty hauling. Number 3. 1981 Chevrolet C20 Pickup, $4,300, Tacoma, Washington. This 1981 Chevrolet C20 single cab delivers classic 3/4-ton capability with a gasoline V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. It includes an 8-foot bed, tow hitch, modern audio, and auxiliary lighting. The truck runs and drives, with licensing valid through February 2026. While the odometer has rolled over and no longer functions, the interior systems and glass remain in good working order. This C20 blends vintage character with practical utility. Number 4. 1982 Toyota 4-wheel drive truck SR5, $4,000, McKinleyville, California. This 1982 Toyota SR5 4x4 is well known for durability and off-road capability. Powered by the proven 22R 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it runs well despite higher mileage. Features include a solid front axle, lift kit, and heavy-duty bumper. Recent brake and clutch hydraulic work adds value. Although rust is present and the truck is sold as is, early Toyota 4x4s remain highly desirable among enthusiasts. Number 5. 1988 Ford F350 Dually, $3,000, Maple Ridge, British Columbia, Canada. This 1988 Ford F350 Dually is a heavy-duty work truck powered by a 460 cubic inch V8 and manual transmission. As a Lariat trim, it offers power windows, power locks, tilt steering, and cruise control. The interior is in nice condition and the title is clean. It requires fuel tank work and transmission installation, though a replacement transmission is included. This truck is best suited for a mechanically capable buyer seeking a powerful classic platform. Number 6. 1983 Ford F250 Pickup, $5,000, Portland, Oregon. This 1983 Ford F250 is a clean, largely stock heavy-duty pickup with very low mileage for its age. Powered by a gasoline V8 and manual transmission, it features a straight body with no visible dents. The interior is exceptionally well preserved with only minor cosmetic flaws. Recent maintenance, including new tires, muffler, and battery, enhances drivability. With a clean title and original appearance, this truck is ready for regular use. Number 7. 1988 Nissan Hardbody 4x4 Pickup, $7,500, Cerritos, California. This 1988 Nissan Hardbody 4x4 is a desirable Japanese classic known for reliability and compact toughness. Powered by a gasoline V6 and automatic transmission, it runs and drives well and remains completely original. As a California truck with current registration and a clean title, it includes rare factory options such as power windows, power locks, sunroof, and roll bar. Original condition and strong features support its premium pricing. Number 8. 1970 Ford F150 Shortbed Stepside, $5,000, Folsom, California. This 1970 Ford F150 Shortbed Stepside represents classic American pickup styling. Equipped with a straight-six engine and 3-speed manual transmission, it offers simple and durable mechanics. The body is mostly straight, with rust limited to the lower door areas, while the floors and undercarriage are reported to be excellent. New tires and a clean title make this a strong candidate for light restoration or regular classic use. Number 9. 1999 Ford F150 Work Series Super Cab, $750, Roberts Creek, British Columbia, Canada. This 1999 Ford F150 Work Series Super Cab is offered at a low price due to engine failure. Powered by a gasoline V6 and automatic transmission, it is not running because of low compression in one cylinder. The truck seats 6 and has served as a long-term family vehicle. Listed with a salvage status, it is best suited for experienced mechanics, parts use, or an engine rebuild project. Number 10. 1981 Volkswagen Caddy Rabbit Diesel Pickup, $6,500, Santa Cruz, California. This 1981 Volkswagen Caddy Rabbit is a rare diesel compact pickup with growing collector interest. Powered by a 1.6-liter naturally aspirated diesel engine and manual transmission, it is known for fuel efficiency and simplicity. The truck is registered, running, and mechanically sound, with recent steering column service and new tires. With minimal rust and long-term ownership, it is an excellent example of a unique European classic pickup.